non-mesos.
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today launched the CM Impact Meghalaya Class Readiness Program e-books for building bridges between grades for greater success. Speaking during the launch, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma informed that while multiple strategies have been adopted to transform the education sector, the Meghalaya Class Readiness Program is also a step towards improving the quality of learning, not only in the secondary level but also at the primary and upper primary levels. The Meghalaya Class Readiness Program is a transformative initiative designed for empowering students and to strengthen the educational system.
Not a supplement in any way the classroom environment and the aspect of the course being taught and in a proper manner throughout the year. But at least we're hopeful that these interventions will help a bit, and a marginal improvement in what we're trying to do. But at the end of the day, we have to ensure that the classrooms function as they should be functioning, give the education to the children as it should be. Our learning outcome numbers are very, very less. So out of 200, out of 250, yeah. So our 34 points out of 240. So that's like the lowest in the country. These numbers is what has in fact encouraged us or motivated us to come out with steps like these.